Hi everyone, welcome back to Ice Caves. In the last video we got Bombastic Bling from Robloxian High School. In this video we're going to be getting the book from Bee Swarm Simulator. So, let's claim our hive, and I have some friends here to help. They're right here. Loga, log, and cool 5 down from the last video. So, to start the quest, we're actually gonna need to come over to this little computer thing over here. So, just walk on over there. Okay, and you need to collect this 3 microconverters actually. So now what you need to do is come over to this shop, and once you're over here, just come on. It takes a while to walk, but open up the shop and you can see right there there's these strange goggles, and you need 7 pronged cons and 1 microconverter. That's why we got the microconverter. So for the 7 pronged cons, you're gonna need to enter some codes. The first code is Proggles, like that, and then press redeem and you get 1 7 pronged con. The next one you need is Word Factory, like that, and you get 1 7 pronged, cog actually, not con. So the next code is Millie. Redeem that, get another one. Then Luther, you get another one. Then Carmen San Diego, like that, you get 1. Jump Start, you get 1. And Dysentery, and that's all of them. So now we have the 7 pronged cogs, but now we actually need to get we need 77 pollen. So I'll collect that real quick. Okay, that's good. Oh, actually I need a bee for that, so just type that. Okay, we got 77 honey now. Just come on over here, and now you can craft the item. Now that you have the goggles on, you have to come over here, back to the computer. So just walk on over there. Okay, now that we're here, you can look inside the computer now, and this bee will appear, and then there will be like an error, and all the faces will turn to frownies. Now what you need to do is remember this code. So @ actually I'm going to type it in the chat. So @ tilde squiggly bracket. Okay, so now that we have that, we need to come into these fields over here. So come into, I think it's dandelion. So come on over there, and he has a gummy bee. Pretty cool. So now that you're in here, you just have to click around a bit, and yeah, there you go. You find one. So the first one was at. Oh yes, not. It was not at. It was it was that. Oh no, I messed up. Hold on. There. Okay. So this next one is question mark, then tilde, then squiggly bracket. And you'll hear a little sound and you'll get smiley faces. So now what you need to do is just come on over, back over to the computer. So look inside and one of the smiley faces will turn that again. So now the bee will disappear and you need to come over into here. And I believe they changed this. So before you had to come around looking for the bee and he would tell you the code, but I believe they changed it to be always be this code right here. Sunflower is the at, mushroom, and then clover. So let's try that. I think that's what they did anyways. Let's see. So it says on there that's what that is. Ah. And then it says mushroom is tilde and then clover is the asterisk. So let's try that. I think so that's tilde, and now clover should be the asterisk. So let's go on over there. I think it's over here. So yeah, okay. So oh no. Well, I'll just use one of those. Ah, I'm gonna die. Okay, yeah. So that's what they changed it to. Ah. Oh, there's some gumdrops, but I'm gonna die. That's not very good. Okay, so now just come on over to computer again, or whatever it is, TV or whatever. Let's just come on over there again. Okay, so now you look inside again and there'll be another smiley face. Okay, so now what we have is when we look inside, the bee tells us what fields to do first. So he says, see. Okay, so what we have is mushroom, dandelion, sunflower, clover. So just come on over there. This one you don't, it's not a code, it's just you have to do it in like a certain order, I believe, the order he gives you. So just keep clicking around, it should be somewhere in here. Yeah, there we go. So you can't change it now. So we got mushroom, now we need dandelion. So just click around. There we go. Can't change that one either. Now we need sunflower. So make our way over there. I believe it's either right here or right there. Don't know. Okay, should be somewhere around here. Okay, I guess it's not over in either of those. Let's just use that again. Okay, so it's that one. Alright, now we need clover. So, once you come over to clover, I think it's right here somewhere. Oh no, I'm gonna die again. This is not good. Yeah, uh-oh. Okay, this is not good at all. I'm gonna die again. Woo. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's, okay, oh, I guess it's in the middle. So we got that now. So now what you need to do is, this blue flower field is blinking, and you can change these ones. So now what you need to do is do them in this code. So first is asterisk because it's mushroom. So there we go. And then this one is dandelion. That's a tilde. So change it to that. This one is that one is a question mark, so I'm guessing that one's an at, but I won't change it yet. So sunflower is what we need. You can see it. Okay, it's an at, or the and or whatever. So we need to change it to that. And there you go, you get the smiley faces again. So now, oh, and I guess atomic tree, that's good. So just collect that. And now, come over here to the computer again. It's taking a little bit to load, or to get over there, but should be over there soon, so that's, yeah. Okay, so now that we're over here, we need to come over into this computer and just look inside it once again, and you'll get, it should be, yes, you'll get the smiley face again. And then it summons a star jelly, and there's the book. You get the badge. So that is how you get the How to Program Basic Edition. So thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.